Yeah. So, yeah, today was a day. Oh my goodness. See, y'all, I thought I was ready to go. Forgot, still had my coat on because it is chilly out. I'm so frustrated. Let me ease some of my frustration. Let me start a teeny bit of this mushu chicken. Walnut prawns. Excuse me. I forget it's not daytime still. I was trying to hurry home to do this before the sun went down. Tempura shrimp, mushu chicken, walnut prawns, white rice, vegetables. Oh, and sorry, Robert. I'm trying to be better. Chai tea. Okay, it went down. I can cut another slit for air now. There. Oh my God. You guys know I don't normally come in huffing and puffing. But it's like I literally, thank God I called and ordered food from the car, the driver, my ride. Okay? Because y'all, why can't, when I lived in San Jose, it was good because I was, online. They had it online. Why I gotta take a bus that made me get there 2 hours early? Thank God I saw the doctor early. Got out early just for the clinic to make me sit there for 2.5, 3 hours waiting to go home. Oh, it's already hard. Dang it. See, that's what I get. That's what I get. Oh, where's my napkin? Whatever. And I thought, I'm not going to wait till tomorrow because I'm trying to eat better and better and cook. And days like this, ain't got time for that. Man, that chicken is good. And my onions, and cabbage. Oh man, that's good. I forgot, once these get once they hit the air, yeah, they harden fast. Little pancakes, these things. So I'm happy. I'm in really good condition other than my high blood pressure. I said, no, it's only high to you. Because I'm like, it's been higher and I ain't dead yet, so. Right now, oh, I forgot the camera zooms in. You'd think I remember that by now. Today is the day to be smacking. Okay? Honey walnut prawns, that's what it is. Or honey walnut shrimp, excuse me. Oh man, that's good. So why am I acting like a savage hound? Well, I left the house at what? First of all, I got up at the butt crack of dawn. 6 o'clock. I got up at 6 o'clock since 2012. Okay, well, there was the roosters when I lived in Gilroy. Oh, man. That's good. Oh, well. Your blood's fine. This is fine. You don't have any diseases. Well, I knew that. Some things you just know, you know? Watch, there's nothing in here. Yeah. Sorry. Here's lighting. Now for a change, I remember to put the really bright light in the back behind the cell phone. Now it looks too bright. Sorry. Well, you know, I'm really happy that I like eating the mushy chicken just by itself. See, because it's already hard. Oh well. Life goes on. I'll give some to the baby. Princess. I guess maybe she's on the bed. Oh, that's good. It's been a long time since I had mushy chicken. Mushy anything. Okay. And sometimes I feel bad with myself because those people, apparently that clinic, yeah, I love my doctor. It's really, apparently they got a whole bunch of properties for people that have, you know, getting off of drugs or whatever. Because where I wait, there's tons of them coming in and out of the building across the way. Then I'm assuming that my office, everybody, you know, related, as it were. So, I don't know, but it's very interesting. I can finally relax. Oh, sorry, I forgot. Sorry about that. I love my doctor, but I want to kick her in the face. Why you have me come down and say everything's fine? You could have ordered me some vitamin D. Left me a text message, you know? Onions and carrots and cabbage. Oh my. And mushrooms and mushrooms and mushrooms and something else I can't see good because I have my glasses on. And I love that sauce that the mushu chicken is in. It tastes like a hoisin sauce. I like honey walnut prawns, but I don't particularly care for walnuts. It's just because it's sweet. You know that. You already know I like sweet stuff. I like honey walnut prawns. They up since 6. I think I had a banana around 10. And just as soon as I start to order food for today, I'm on my way. You're not supposed to come until like 12:49. What do you mean you're on your way? Whatever. Okay, fine. I'll be downstairs. Oh, wow. Walnuts, you get over there. Chicken, you get over here. Sauce, you get over here. Man, I've forgotten how much I like mushu. I have forgotten. Just got home barely enough time to take a picture of today's sunset. I don't know why I started doing that, but hey. Makes me happy. Makes the people on Facebook happy. Why not? See, so right about now is when I would just like leave that and just open the box of mushu and just eat it straight out the box. I got time for chopsticks and stuff. I don't want anything missing my mouth. Trying to find another one without the tail on it. I think that one doesn't have a tail. See, why it's so bright. Maybe they took the tails off. Nope. Man, I love that sauce. For the honey walnut prawns. Sorry, guys. And I get a nice mic like Sass. And I won't hear any of that crap. Remember walnuts? Man, my mother would love to eat those walnuts right about now, but I'm not going to break a tooth. Or denture. Oh man, this is good. I wish you guys were here. I'd share some. I'm starting to feel human again. You think people only act crazy because it's hot? It's got to be 40 degrees outside. Okay, 47. Oh, it's not going to tell me. I didn't think it was going to be sweet enough because I never ordered this chai tea from them. I know the chai tea from Starbucks is sweet enough, but anyway. Move over. Yeah. There's a little crunch left. Wow. That's all right. Do I have another one with no tail on it? I think that one doesn't have one. May not have one. There you go, Robert. And you know, Robert, I owe you a big fat thank you. I think you were my... Oh, no, wait. And Janae was my very first subscriber. But I think you were like my third subscriber. And so far, you have commented on every single video. And thank you. I appreciate you for that. Okay. Heaven. Oh man. I wish I could just buy a bucket of this honey walnut sauce and pour it all over everything. I was gonna say, well, everything but steak. I don't eat steak. Okay. I love me some China one. But I don't think I'll be ordering those again. Everything else, though, yeah. Especially this, man. That is good. Good stuff. I'm wondering, do they have a machine to put this on? Because there's ice still in here. Or maybe they put the whole thing on ice. I don't know. And you see, I don't like those little balls that they put in there. That just is not my favorite thing, boo-boo. Okay, so, yep, I pretty much had it. I'm full now. So, you know, the usual thing happens, you know. I'll eat a little bit more in 2 hours, and a little bit more in 2 hours, and a little bit more in 2 hours. Oh, man, I love that sauce. Love that sauce. Okay, maybe one more. And then maybe I can give you one more, Robert. Tamisha. I'm working on yours tomorrow. Oh man, that's good. And BW, I'm working on yours after I work on hers. Oh man, that is just so good. That hit the spot. I don't think chai tea is really this color, is it? This reminds me of turmeric. Okay, it's, you know, a little more yellow. Turmeric is more yellow than this, but you know what I mean. I'm ready for my my dessert. And I got to tell you the truth. I know a lot of people's hands touch this food. Excuse me. But if it's unopened, if it's not sealed, I don't eat them. More hands touch it if it's not sealed. Sorry, guys. Dare I? All right. You're nice and fresh, crisp. Where did I put my glasses? Oh, man. Well, if I can't find my glasses. Oh, I found them. Don't get up. Oh, light. A routine trip turns into a enchanting encounter. Okay, that's new. Anyway, guys, I love you. Thank you for putting up with me being cranky. And now I can go for a nice short walk. I love you guys. Don't forget to stop and be good to yourself. Like, share, subscribe. You know I appreciate it. And thank you. Bye, 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 bye. Okay, guys, I'll see you next time. Bye.